This is the last of 4 videos of the Champion Combination Repair Outfit number 30. In it you can see the hand crank. It's in for a speed cranking of the screw to be able to use your vise, whether you want to use the flat jaws or right now we have the adapter for the pipe up to 2 inches it would hold. Of course you would take the V-pipe lobster claw accessory out of it to use the flaps for the jaws, and you would finish tighten it with a hand wheel. You're only going to use the hand crank as a rapid movement of the vise. Pretty neat unit all in all. Of course, a multi-tool is not as effective as a dedicated device, but still, all in all, it was great for the small shop, small things to work on. You could do a lot if you treat it right. Get a lot of things done with it. The open gears are weak point. The number 1 tapered pins that are used here on the grinding wheels for the handle to engage. That's another weak point of the unit. And of course, it's casting. The depth of chilled face is not very deep. So it's for working small stuff like rivets or something small you need to do a little repair. Just like our multi-tools we carry today. It sold for like $30 back in 1920s. Today, in say 2013, it's somewhere around $419. This unit would cost, to give an estimate. But still, by the time you look at dedicated vices and ambles and better equipment, would cost you a lot more money. So a piece of American history made here, USA, patented January 13, 1920. I don't know the actual age of this unit itself. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed part of American history. I know I have.